Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Nintendo 3DS The Legend of Zelda Adventure Pouch Kit, made by Power A. So here's the ones that it works with. If the camera can focus. Was with new 3DS XL, new 3DS Standard, Nintendo 3DS XL, Nintendo 3DS, Nintendo DSi XL, and Nintendo DSi. So, if you have any of the ones that's listed here, it works. Because I know some people in the comments will be like, well, does it work with a 3DS? Does it work with a new 3DS? It's right there. Yeah. What about a DSi? What about a weather 3DS? Again, right there. Yeah. It tells you right there on the box. So here's what included. So 4 items included. 1 full leather pouch, 2 stylus, and 1 peel and stick cleaning cloth. Okay. Nothing on the sides here, nothing on top. So here on the back here, The Legend of Zelda Adventure's Pouch Kit has what Zelda fans need to carry. Store and protects their Nintendo 3DS system in true Hyrule style. So, the pouch, 2 different stylus, and the cleaning cloth. So, what it says. A, which is here, full leather pouch. So it's not real leather. It's not true leather. It's a fake faux leather. Almost probably like putter. I guess this is putter. You know, plastic leather. But yeah. So in the comment section, don't say, is it leather? Is it real leather? No. Again, read it. Faux leather. Fake leather. Not real leather. No animals were harmed in making this leather look like product, okay? Because I know I will have people say, is it leather? Does it work with a Nintendo 3DS? A new Nintendo 3DS XL. Yeah, it says it on the package there, okay? Did you not watch this video? If you are watching, hey, congratulations, you followed. Because I know some people will be like, but I watch it, but I still have... And you address, you know, the issues. Does it work with this? Is this real leather or not? I already told you. They already told you the answers that you need, okay? It's ridiculous how many people would comment on things that I put it right in front of their face, tell them on the video and stuff, show them that it said it right there on the package, and then still go ahead and ask those questions in my comment section. Bunch of trolls. Anyway, moving on to letter B over here. You get the Master Shield, Master Sword, which is right there, which looks pretty awesome, and Hyrulean Shield Stylus, so right there, which is awesome. And then you get a Hyrule Map, Peel and Sticker Cleaning Cloth, which is right there, letter C. And here it kind of shows you store any Nintendo 3DS, but you can also store, you know, a DSi, a Nintendo, DSi. Peel and stick cleaning cloth, and then holds 2 game cards and 2 stars. So, I'll do 2 stars, you already covered there, and 2 games, provide your own games, okay? So yeah. Now that we got all that out the way, let's open it up, take a look at it. Come on. There we go. What's keeping this in box here? They had nothing else in the box. So here's what it looks like. Some pros and cons about this. Okay, where should we start? Probably cons. This little Hyrule bird, which kind of looks like Eagle, which has the Triforce symbol on there. It's nice that they made it look like it's embossed on here, you know. But the con is, you can't really tell it unless you really look at it or you shine a light on it. Like from here, you can't see it. But if you turn it like here, oh, there's the design. No. Yes. It's nothing. There's something. So if they would have put like a little color on here, like how they did with this, that would have been awesome. Right here, this Triforce symbol, be careful with the Triforce symbol. It wears off super duper fast, super easily. I know someone else that has one of these, and they just got this thing torn off. Well, not torn off, but it wore off really fast. I mean, if they would have used some different paint or material on it, or maybe if they would have embossed this on there, like how they did with this, and then painted it, that would have been awesome. Also, you have this. Now this, you could attach it to your belt. So it does have a little snap there. Snap feature. And you have this little carrying handle, which is kind of stupid considering that they don't give you a strap to kind of like put it around your neck or I don't know, anything else. So this is stupid. Oh, by the way, this little gold wing is 100% cheap, thin plastic. Do not use this. If you're going to carry it around on you, and you know, as you have it attached to you, attach it to your belt with the belt one. Because this little, stupid carrying handle is useless. I guess maybe if you had like a little 3M hood hang on your wall, and when you come home, you just put your case up there, and then, you know, put your 3DS at home, or charge it, and then when you go out, put it in here, take it off the hood. Maybe that's what it's for, to kind of hang on a wall or something. Other than that, it's stupid. It has no real purpose. Oh yeah, the Legend of Zelda's on there. You wouldn't notice that because of the way how it does. So it just slides out like this. Okay. Here's where you put your stylus at, and here's where you put your 2 game cards at. And it does have a zipper on here, which they should have told you that it was a zipper one, but they don't. Oh, and the zipper only goes all the way from this side to that far on this side. So it's not like you could completely unzip it all the way. It's not. Come on. Okay, there we go. So it is black on the inside, you know, for what it looks like. Let me tape one of my games out here. So we hold a Nintendo. I don't know why my system is switched on. Let me turn that off. So yeah, the new 3DS L with a shield. So we're gonna try it with, you know, a shield cover on here and some little dangly doodahs. Because I know I might get asked that question. Well, does it fit in there? With the dangly doodahs, you know, keychain charms and stuff. Yeah, but as you can kind of see, it's kind of leaning forward. So if you don't have them, it'll fit a little bit better, but it does fit in there. Here's the stars, the Hyrulean shield. This looks really good. And it's kind of like a hard rubber tester up here. So we have that. Because this thing goes over here. But you can put it anywhere. And then we had the Master Sword, which between the shield and the sword, I mean the sword looks way better than the shield. I mean the shield's a little bit more detailed, but just the way how the stylus comes out to form the blade of the sword, and you kind of have the little handle here, versus it's a shield on a stick. The Hyrulean shield on a stick, or on a stylus stick, versus, yeah, it's a stylus sword. I mean, if they just sold this one by itself, I would definitely get this one. If someone was just selling it by itself, this one's just awesome. I love that little sword, stylus. That's just awesome, awesome, awesome. So then here is the Hyrule mini-map. Now as for what game it's from, like the original NES Legend of Zelda, the N64 Ocarina of Time, the new remake of the Ocarina of Time, Majora's Mask, you know, Link Between Worlds, any of those ones, the Wind Waker, I have no idea. So here's what the map does look like. And it is pretty detailed. Is it from the Breath of the Wild? Obviously no, this came out way before the Breath of the Wild one. Okay, so way before the Breath of the Wild. Before that one came out, so it's not going to be that map. And then, you know, you just peel off this protected little sticker back in here, which I'm not going to do. Because I want to keep this, because this is just pretty awesome. And then, you know, you could stick it here, I guess, if you want to. You could stick it up here. You could even stick it to your 3DS, like on the back of the 3DS, or the top of the 3DS. It's pretty awesome. And then we'll just put our game card in here through the little elastic slot, and then that's it. And then what you do is just... Now, some people might say, well, is this going to stay closed because it's just a hook and loop? There's no Velcro on there, no magnets, no button snaps, you know, nothing like that. Yeah, it stays, you know. I do have the zip, so yeah, there's that. But as far as the flap coming undone, nope, as hard as I shake it, the flap doesn't come undone. Until, through the power of my hands, it comes undone. Yeah. Oh, by the way, if you want to get this little cartridge out, just, you don't have to completely remove the stars, just move it up just a bit, so that you have a little access to it. So let me take my 3DS out of here, because that doesn't come with it. It would be awesome if it did, but it doesn't. Can you put any stars in here? Yes and no. I mean, you could put any of these, like, fin stylus or character stylus. But if you're going to put something like this, or the, you know, the Gashapon ones, no, the Gashapon ones would not fit in there. Big fat ones like this would not fit in there. The real thin ones that comes like the 3DS, those might fit in there, but best bet, use one like this that, you know, you could get in all different characters and designs. And, you know, yeah. I mean, this you could just throw in the pouch, but as for using these little hook and loop things here, no. So let's kind of get it looked all nice and stuff. Actually, let's move that over just a tad there. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of the Nintendo 3DS, The Legend of Zelda Adventure Pouch Kit. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.